In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see all the liked posts on Instagram. So this process is very straightforward and simple to do. Some people are having trouble doing it, but I'll show you exactly what you need to do. And make sure, first of all, that you have the latest version of Instagram. So either go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and update your app to the latest version. Then once you've opened up Instagram, you want to tap on your profile icon there at the bottom right hand corner. And then you will see 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Tap on those 3 stripes. Then you want to tap on the first option that says settings. And then you want to tap on the option that says account right over there. And then you just need to scroll down and then you'll see the option here that says posts you've liked. If you tap on that, that's going to show you all the posts you liked. I'm not going to tap on it for privacy reasons, but you would just tap on that and then you'll see all your liked posts. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.